Will the 500,000-mile Corvette start in 3, 2, 1? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our twin turbo Lamborghini Gallardo, which has nothing to do with today's video, but we're starting the video in this car because we're taking it over to our buddy Kyle's place. He's actually doing a manual conversion to an E-Gear Gallardo right now. He said it would be a huge help for him to have an original manual Gallardo to reference things off of. So we said, sure thing, we'll bring it by. The second we drop it off, we're headed down to the Copart yard because we may have picked up a new project car.
Travel back in time, whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why, whoa, dancing till
this thing. All right, and just like that, we made it with the UGR to Highland European, Kyle's place here, and would you look at that? It's its brother from a long lost mother. There she is, but you guys already got the update. A bunch of work is going down on the S600, so stay tuned for part 7, 8. All right, Kyle, here's your Lambo. You can now use it as a reference point for that E-Gear conversion. And now, back in the car, off to downtown Phoenix. All right, here we are pulling up to Copart. Huge thanks and shout out to Copart for sponsoring today's video. You guys have probably asked us thousands upon thousands of times where we get our project vehicles. And well, the cat is out of the bag. We get them from Copart.com, and getting started is simpler than ever. Link down below is our special link, which will send you to the sign up page where you can sign up for a free account. It takes literally like a minute to register, and you can get browsing their 100 and let's see how many vehicles they have live right now. They are the largest salvage car auction in the world.
Yeah, and it's not just salvage cars. Like this car today, clean title, sometimes it's donated vehicles, or maybe it's boats or motorcycles. So, so many cool opportunities out there just waiting to be found. In this case, 189,000 of them.
Nearly 200,000 cars and items live now.
So we really need your help. Take advantage of this opportunity to make a free account. Start browsing cars, and if you see a good deal, a good opportunity, maybe you go for it, or feel free to let us know about it if you want to see it maybe on the channel. And if we end up with it, we will give you a sweet finder's bonus.
Yeah, just email us at jrgarage22 with any cool cars that you find. All you have to do, make an account, takes 1 minute. It's linked down below, special link. Support those who support us by making an account and browsing cars. Like, it's fun. I'll stay up till 3, 4 a.m. so many nights just going through thousands of salvage cars. And that's how we're able to find these insane deals, like the deal we found today. Yes, you see that title correctly. A running and driving, at least we think. It's all sight unseen, so we really hope when we get there it runs in good shape. So a C5 Corvette, clean title like he said, for just over $2,000.
Wow, I don't think we can lose at that. I cannot imagine losing, but we'll have to go check out the car, see what kind of shape it's in. It's right over the fence.
We're gonna see it for the first time in just a moment, but here we go, part 1 of this project. It's gonna be a really fun one. You guys have loved the S600 rebuild, you have loved the budget Boxster rebuild, all these Copart rebuilds that are budget friendly. They're not gonna break the bank these last few builds, so you guys have really supported them, and it's awesome to see, so thank you so much, and that's why we're doing another one today. Enough of us talking, go sign up for Copart, link down below. Let's go inside and go check out this Corvette for the first time. Here we go, let's go. All right guys, we got our vest. We are entering the Copart yard. There it is, there it is, there it is.
Introducing our $2,200 C5 Corvette.
Let's go. There you guys have it, the first look at the $2,200 Vette. This is our first time seeing it too, so we're about to show you the whole walk around in just a moment. Obviously right off the bat, we have an aftermarket exhaust that looks like. We're gonna look up under there, see if we can get a brand. We have different wheels, but for starters, you guys are probably wondering like, where'd the idea of the C5 come around? Like, what's crazy? We had no plans on buying this car. We actually wanted a different car.
It was a 1988 Porsche 911 Carrera with the desirable 3.2 liter engine, G50 transmission. and it was fully restored before the accident. So still in salvage condition, but we thought that maybe we could pick it up for a score, and we bid pretty strong on it, but just missed it by about $1,000.
Yep. So we were backup bidder on that car, so we didn't end up winning it. We're like, darn, you know, we really wanted that car. But instead of just exiting out of the auction, we went a little further down and just checking out what else was there, right? And we see this Corvette,
And it was only at $2,100. What's wrong with it? So we look at the pictures, looking for the damage on the car, and we can't find any.
and that's when we realized it was a donated vehicle. Listed as a donated vehicle, so not a crash car, not an insurance company supplied car, instead a clean title car. So we're talking a clean title vet that was at $2,100. So we're like, let's give it a few bids. We gave it a bid, $2,200. We're on top. We immediately become the high bidder. And get this,
Nobody bids after us.
no one outbid us. We won the car for $2,200. Now I know what you guys are saying, 2,200 bucks. That is impossible for a red manual transmission C5 Corvette. That's impossible with a clean title. Not possible. Well, Christian, I think there's gotta be a reason we got this car so cheap.
Well, we learned that it has over 500,000 miles on it.
Say what?
Say what?
You gotta be kidding me.
Are you kidding me? Oh, are you kidding me?
You're kidding me, right?
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me!
Guys, it has 528,670 miles. Yeah, well, that makes sense why we got it for 2,200 bucks now. Because this is probably like the highest mileage C5 out there.
Gotta be the highest mileage Corvette like ever.
Yeah, this is astonishingly high. So the $1 million question, will it run and drive like it says in the listing? Is it in good condition? Yeah, let's begin this walk around. Enough of us talking. So the wheels, whoa, holy cow. HRE wheels.
Well, HRE center caps are the wheels really real, authentic HRE wheels.
Ah, this is deja vu with the S600. Remember how that S600 had AMG wheels worth the whole price of the car? HRE wheels are not cheap. If these are real, they're probably worth a good majority of the price we just paid for the car. To be determined if those wheels are real. I mean, look at the car. Yeah, of course it's dusty and stuff.
Big bend in the lip.
Oh boy. Yeah, the paint will definitely clean up. I mean, yeah, it's super dusty. Now, the interior pictures did look really rough, and we have not been in there yet. Let's check it out.
It didn't look pristine.
Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yikes. I barely even want to, I don't know if I want to sit in there.
Okay,
I mean,
500,000 miles. I'm beginning to think like somebody,
no.
like the dude lived in this car.
Look at this. Okay, Christian, it's your turn to clean the car, right? I cleaned the S600 and that was bad enough. Oh
God.
brother. Okay, I guess I'll try to get in here. Oh.
I'm not.
He said, I'm not getting in here. Maybe this is why I went so cheap. Oh.
Back a bit.
Can I? No. I can't scoot the seat back.
Not all gummed up.
It's electric and the whole thing's broken off.
Ah,
I
crap.
think. Okay, yeah, that doesn't work. Now I'm starting to see a little more of why this was 2,000 bucks. Definitely seen some use. Now the 500,000 miles definitely makes sense. Yeah, it shows a lot more. The exterior, we're good. Looks like it's got 100,000 miles. Interior, that's a different story. Holy, okay.
Strip
well,
it
I mean,
make it a track car. I mean, that is sounding very appealing right now.
yeah, what do you guys think? Throughout this video, be sure to comment down below just what you think of the car, what suggests, well, for Pete's sake, let's see if it starts, I guess. Hold on, let's see. Okay, I mean, that feels good.
All right, clutch engages.
All right, that's good. We have, what are these?
Seat covers, maybe.
Ugh.
Glove. Yeah, so I guess.
Oh, we
I don't even feel that comfortable.
have a steering wheel thing. Oh, I'm sure these things are not very clean either. What does that say?
Dash mat.
Oh, he's got a dash cover.
Maui 97, some special edition.
Maui 97. Let's see if this thing will start. That's what the people want to see, right? Come on. No way. Especially the battery has like got to be dead. Okay, yeah, no, it's completely. Well, let's hope a jump box helps. Okay, great. More wires. Don't know what those are for, but let's pop the hood. All right, there should be an LS1 in here. Okay, there it is.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty good. It's filthy, but as you guys know, I love cleaning engine bays, so I will have no problem cleaning this. How about this, Christian? I'll clean the engine bay, you clean the interior. That's fair.
I'm gutting that interior.
He said I'm gutting it. He said I'm gutting it. I mean, that's an idea. We could just gut everything. How does an LS1 hold up after 500,000 miles? This looks pretty new, or more shiny than the rest. And go on it. It's like the water pump. It's the water pump right here.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, while we're waiting for them to come with the jump box, I'm so curious of that exhaust. Let's look. It's definitely has an exhaust on it. I mean, the stock tips on a C5 are tiny little things, and now we have these giant tips. This is what this car needs. Look how aggressive this looks, guys.
Does look good.
Okay, here, Christian.
Does it sound good? I need to know if it sounds good.
Oh, there's the sticker. There's the plate. Here, clean it off. What do you got? I'm gonna guess Borla.
No, B&B, Billy Boat. Ah.
B&B exhaust.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a huge score. Perfect.
All right.
We have power.
Will it start? Power is good.
Will she start? Here we go. Yo! The $2,200 vet runs.
And it sounds not like it's about to explode.
Wow, yeah, that actually sounds really good. Just purring away. Dude, I was expecting it to be like knocking, and that's why they donated it, because it's got some like big problem.
Like running rough, like all these cars at this age, at this mileage, they'll have vacuum leaks and not be running this.
Yeah, let's see if any lights are on, right? Yeah, good point. Let's see if oh wait, we got the exhaust. Nice little rumble. All right, do we have any check engine lights? No lights on the dash.
Good oil pressure?
40, almost 40 pounds.
That's fine.
Guys, I think we just hit another home run. I don't know how we're doing it. First the Boxster, then the S600. Now this car, which appears to be running perfectly fine. Oh, one other thing we noticed, the tires, right? We're like, oh, how quickly are we gonna have to replace these tires?
Yeah.
Check this out. This makes no sense. It's got these nice Michelin tires with tons of tread, right? So you check the date code to see when they were made. The 10th week of 2019. These tires are probably brand new. You gotta be kidding me. What even are they? Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus. Brand new tires. That's what, almost $1,000 Michelin tires? But of course this video is getting a little long, so we are going to save the first test drive home, 30 miles. Will it make it for next video, part 2? You're gonna have to stay tuned.
So that means if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? And if you have not clicked the link down below yet for Copart, we'll give you a second. Do that now. Find an awesome deal on an awesome car. Send it to us if you want to see it get rebuilt on the channel, and we'll give you a sweet bonus.
Yes, sir. Sounds good. And wait a second. On the S600, we did 10,000 likes, and we would straight pipe it. On this car, it already has an exhaust, but I think it's a catback. It still has the cats and stuff. So if you want to hear this thing scream insanely loud, maybe we can do the same thing. 10,000 likes for straight pipes? Yeah. That's a no-brainer. Smash that like button and we will straight pipe this car. Comment down below, build suggestions, modification suggestions, whatever you want to see. If you're into Corvettes, if you like the car, let us know in the comment section down below. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned for part 2. We get to drive this thing home and hopefully make it all the way.
Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
That it feels right.